Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable text chat with everyone on PS5. So first of all, you need to open up your phone or your computer and go to your Roblox application. So if you are on your phone, you want to go ahead and press on Roblox application, open it, press on more, and then press on settings. And on settings, you want to press privacy and content maturity. From there, you want to find communication, press on it, and press on experience chat. After that, you want to make sure that the chat is allowed to everyone, right, like so. Then you want to go ahead and press options key on the Roblox application, and you want to go ahead and check for updates. Just make sure that you have the latest update. Then you want to launch the Roblox. Then go to the settings at the top, click on three dots, and press on settings, and make sure that cross-platform play is enabled so you could chat with everyone. And after that, just launch the game. Now, after you've launched the game, you want to press options key and press chat. And now, as you can see, the chat is working just fine. And you can go ahead and press and chat with everyone. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.